Hello all, welcome back. Today we'll go through some problem related to geometry. So this question also appeared in CAT 25. So let's go to the question. So we have a rhombus of side 36 centimeters and the area of rhombus is 396 square centimeters, and we wanted to find the difference between the length of diagonals. So let's go to, let's create a rhombus. So let this be rhombus, and we have the side given as 36, which is 36 centimeters. And now we know the diagonals. Let this be d1, and let this diagonal be d2. So we know now we need to find the difference between, that is mod d1 and d1 minus d2. So we need to find out what would be the difference between the lengths of the diagonals. Now what did we know here so far? So we know that the area of this rhombus is given as 396 square centimeters. So the formula to find the area of the diagonal when the area of the rhombus when the diagonals are given is half d1 into d2. That implies d1 into d2 equal to 2 into 396. Let's keep it aside for now. So let's this be equation 1. Now let's come back to the figure. If you see, this forms diagonals intersect perpendicularly at the center. So this forms a right angle triangle. So based on this, we know using the Pythagoras theorem, we'll get, so if this is the length of the diagonal and this will be d, half of the diagonal, so that will be d1 by 2 whole square plus this will be d2 by 2 whole square will give us the side square, that is 36 square. This is using the right angle triangle and Pythagoras theorem. Now let's expand this. So now this will give us d1 square plus d2 square equal to 4 into 36 square. Now this is equation 2. So let's figure out this part now. So d1 minus d2, the difference absolute value will be nothing but root of, can be written as d1 minus d2 whole square, right? So let's expand this. We know d1 square plus d2 square minus 2 d1 d2. Now we know d1 d2, it is based on the here, and we also know d1 plus d2 square based on this. So let's substitute this both equations here. So d1 square plus d2 square is nothing but 4 into 36 square minus 2 into d1 d2 is nothing but d1 d2, we know 2 into 396 under root. So let's get the 2 out of the square root. So that becomes like we have 4 and 2 into 2 here. So let's bring the 2 out. This will give me 36 square minus 396. Now upon simplification, this will give me 2 into 1296 minus 396. That is nothing but 2 into root 900, and this will give us 60.